Hey everyone, I'm Joe and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'll be going over how to configure email notifications in Nagios Network Analyzer 2026 R1. Email notifications in Nagios Network Analyzer are very important because they provide immediate visibility into abnormal traffic patterns, any security threats, and performance issues without requiring constant manual monitoring. Timely alerts allow administrators to respond quickly to potential outages or even breaches, which reduces downtime and limits impact. Let's dive right into today's video. Here I have a fresh install of Nagios Network Analyzer 2026 R1. When you're on the home page of Nagios Network Analyzer 2026 R1, the very bottom setting of administration, we can click on it and it brings a drop-down menu. We want to click on Notification Settings. Here's where we configure email notifications in Nagios Network Analyzer 2026 R1. The first portion we want to do is turn on the notification channel on the very top right. Next up, we have 8 different notification settings that we can configure. Starting at the top, we have our mail settings. We will come back to that after we input all of our email settings. The next is send from. This is the email you want your notifications to be sent from. Below send from, we have mailer. Since I will be using SMTP, I will be turning this on. Below mailer, we have our host. I am a user of Microsoft 365, so I will be plugging in smtp.office365.com. If you do not know yours, you can search up your email provider and they will have your host name on their website. Beneath our host is our port. I will be leaving it at 587 since I will be using SMTP. Next, we have our username. Your username is going to be the full mailbox email address. Beneath our username is our password. This password coincides with the username, so it is basically the password of that email address. Lastly, we can choose if we are going to be using encryption. For demo purposes, I will be using Start TLS. After all of these settings are configured, on the very top right, where we have our mail settings, where I said we would come back to after, we can click Update. As we can tell on the bottom right, our notification settings updated. If you want to send a test notification just to verify that you set up your notifications correctly, at the very top right of the page, you can click Send Test Notification. Here we go. Test email sent. Your test email has been sent to my email. And that's it. I hope everyone is able to follow along super smoothly and get their emails configured and set up. For any more support or additional information in general, please visit us at support.nagios.com. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment for any more videos you'd like to see regarding Nagios products. As always, thanks for watching and keep on monitoring.